Hey, Ski House fans, January 16th, and boy, look at the sun at the top, at the summit. It's out beautifully groomed run. We're going to run black bear for you because we haven't done it in a while, and we know we've got some great corduroy here. It's around 8:35, 8:40 in the morning. Early birds are out. On your right. I'm going to run this rough stuff just to have the Kendos do it. And they're in great shape. This is in great shape, and it's pretty quick. Take a look over my shoulder. That's a nice turn. Kendos are really gripping nice. Snow's making the big man look good. Hey, perfect snow. Perfect grooming. Hey, I must be at Stratton. There's not as much wind today. Actually, there's no wind whatsoever. None whatsoever. So do me a favor, stop by Ski House, get tuned, get fitted, and then make a beeline to Stratton.